Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your GE washer is not draining, you may be left with water sitting in the drum or soaking wet clothes after the cycle ends. This particular issue is often caused by drainage blockages, pump problems or lid and control system faults. So in today's video, I will show you how you can easily fix it step by step. So first of all, you need to start by checking the drain hose behind the washer. Just make sure that it is not kinked, crushed or clogged. A blocked or improperly positioned hose can prevent the wastewater from leaving the machine. If necessary, you can disconnect the hose and flush it to remove the lint and the debris buildup. Now, many GE washers have a drain pump filter that can become clogged with coins, lint, and small clothing items or debris. So you need to simply locate the filter access panel, which is usually near the bottom front of the washer, and then you need to carefully clean it out. This often restores the normal drainage quickly. Now, if you have a top load washer, a faulty lid switch may prevent the drain and spin cycle from starting. So for front load models, you can inspect the door lock system, since the washer may refuse to drain if the control board doesn't detect a secure lock. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.